Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I am going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on July 22, 2022, one-star Sudoku. 7th row and 4th row, we have pair numbers 6 and 8. So 6 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the two cells. Third row, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column G, two numbers are remaining, 4 and 7. Second grade, we already have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Second grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 9, 3. Fourth row, we have 3 and 9. So 3 and 9 can't come the cell. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Then only one number is remaining. 1 is confirmed here. 8th grade, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Column E, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 7, 8. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Eighth grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 4, 6. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column F, 3 numbers are remaining, 5, 7, 8. Fifth row, we have 5 and 7. So 5 and 7 can't come this cell. It will come in one of the two cells. 7th row, we already have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then only one number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. Column 8th row or 9th row. Column F, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Column E, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 7. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Fourth grade, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. 7th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 3. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Fourth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 5. Column I, we already have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column I, column J, we have 8. There also we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Column H, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 4, 7. Fifth row, we have 2 and 7. So 2 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the two cells. Third grade, we already have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell. Then 2 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then only one number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. Third grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 4, 9. Second row, we already have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 9. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Second row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. Then 9 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Second row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 7. Column C, we already have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Third row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 3. Column B, we already have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column C, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 7. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column D, column I, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells, then 4 is confirmed here. Column H, only one number is remaining, 2 is confirmed here. Fifth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 9. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column J, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, then 3 is confirmed here. Sixth grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 9. It will come in one of the 2 cells. Column J, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 9 is here. Column J, we already have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. Fifth row, only one number is remaining, 9 is confirmed here. Column J, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 4. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column I, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 7. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Fourth grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 4, 8, 7. Column D, we have 4 and 8. So 4 and 8 can't come this cell. It will come in one of the 2 cells. Column B, we already have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then only one number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. Column B, only one number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. 10th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 9th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column C, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 4, 9. 9th row, 10th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells, then 1 is confirmed here. 10th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then only one number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. 10th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 10th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 6. Column F and 8th grade, we already have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column D, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 6. 8th row, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column F, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 4. 8th row, we already have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.